Right now, just relax the face. This isn't gonna hurt.
I know. I was just thinking.
Oh shit.
I forgot about a paper that was due tomorrow.
Huh? Well, girl, there's no turning back now. College. She was thinking about college. And here I thought she was dumbfounded by my jeans. Hello? Testing. Hey, you made it through! Welcome to the Lacey game site, or whatever is left of it. Anyway. Now, Charlie, or never names. Whatever happens, just remember. You were the one who wanted it, and therefore you can sue me for anything you might see or experience in there. Okay? We're signing on it. And by the way, if by chance the experimental virtual machine spontaneously catches on fire and immolates you, well, that was also in your contract. All your choice. Right, so Lacey. Wait, why are the only two games saving here? Where did all the other ones go? Oh well, maybe connecting someone's mind directly into the digital world messes some things alright. As long as it doesn't mess your brain. Hey, why don't you start exploring them? You wanted to find answers, right? Well, now thanks to my cool-ass high-tech machine, LaceyGames.com is right here in front of you and all around you. Paralyzed by fear? Why, let me help you, girl. Why don't we open up Lacey's World first? You remember that one, right? It's time to play some Flash game!
Lacey, did you see my stacks, Lacey? I can wait to meet up, Lacey. I want you. It's time tonight, let's feel Lacey. Tonight. Bye-bye. Lacey, I'm here. I'm here. Did you get my kiss, Lacey? Did you like it? I'm here. Open the door, my darling. Open the door. Open the fucking door!
Charming, isn't it? Some kids must still see the guy's face in their dreams. You can thank Rosie for that. Seriously? What's her damage? It's as if traumatizing little kids was her hobby or something. Some parent lawsuits are still going on to this day. I guess only Lacey's pet shop showing up for now. So there's that to explore. When you are ready. Well, hopefully you have a good stomach on you. Well, that was pretty normal actually. You know, Rose had this habit of hiding some real disturbing secret endings in these little games. I guess so the terror caught the shooting by surprise? Ugh. Right, get that brain working. You should find a way to get it fucked up. What? No, I don't know how. I forgot. It's been years since I've looked at your site, you know? Just, click stuff, I guess. Look around. I already helped you enough.
bizarre story somehow happened to my life, but it never was real. But I had a dream that was so real. I dreamed that it was me and another that we killed 2 years ago.
Do you like playing your computer? I made lots of games for you. We're none of those lies. These are the real girls' games. These are the real girls' games. These are the real girls' games. I sleep with my eyes open, staring at your eyes on the ceiling. You breathed into me for years, a flame that eats at my bones. Not one day goes by in which I don't smell your skin, as if it was my own, and when you rip it out of me. But I'm a silly little girl that believes in lies, that I can be just as happy as them. So I'll let myself die again, for it has always been just a game in the end.
Holy shit! You did it! You look pale in real life, just so you know. Hey, wait a second. What is that? Lacey's love meter? Whoa. I think that was actually the first game me and Ross made. Yeah, I mean, that Ross made. I have nothing to do with this freaky little trauma dump games. Ugh. Boom, then, we'll comport ourselves and take a look. Damn, this thing is really glitchy. Lacey's eyes kind of freak me out. The art style was so different. Find a way to break this one now. Maybe there was a clue on the left it, right? Since it's what owns this one.